Depression can feel like a heavy weight, but with the right tools and mindset, it's possible to find healing and inner peace. Buddhism offers timeless wisdom and practical strategies to help us navigate tough emotions and build a sense of well-being. In this video, we'll explore 7 key lessons inspired by Buddhist teachings, each offering steps to help you move away from depression and find peace and fulfillment. Lesson 1: Mindful movement. Mindful movement means doing physical activities with full awareness of the present moment. This helps us connect with our bodies, release tension, and find inner peace in Buddhism. Mindfulness is a core practice that encourages us to be fully present. Engage in activities like yoga, tai chi, or walking meditation. These combine movement with mindfulness, helping you tune into your body and breath. Start your day with a few minutes of mindful stretching. Focus on how your body feels as you move. This helps release tension and sets a positive tone for the day. Add mindful movement to your daily routine when walking. Notice how your feet touch the ground and pay attention to the sights, sounds, and smells around you. This keeps you grounded in the present moment. Mindful movement also means being kind to yourself. Listen to your body and move in ways that feel good. Avoid pushing too hard or doing things that cause pain. By practicing mindful movement, you can release tension, find calm, and build a positive connection with your body. This is a powerful tool for moving away from depression and finding inner peace. Lesson 2: Spend time in nature. Spending time in nature is a great way to connect with the present moment and find peace. Nature calms and restores us, helping release stress and feel grounded in Buddhism. Nature is seen as a source of wisdom and inspiration. Take time each day to be in nature, whether it's a walk in the park, a hike, or sitting by a lake. Being in nature helps you connect with the world and find peace. Practice mindfulness in nature. Focus on the sights, sounds, and smells. Notice the details of trees, flowers, and animals. This helps you stay present and appreciate nature's beauty. Do activities that connect you with nature, like gardening or bird watching. These help you tune into nature's rhythms and feel wonder. Reflect on how all living things are connected in Buddhism. Interdependence reminds us we're all linked to each other and the world. This helps you feel belonging and reduces isolation. Spending time in nature also lets you disconnect from technology and daily busyness. Use this time to relax, recharge, and find balance by spending time in nature. You can find peace and connection, release stress, and feel grateful for the natural world. This is a powerful tool for moving away from depression and finding inner peace. Lesson 3: Creative expression. Creative expression is a powerful way to process emotions, release stress, and find fulfillment in Buddhism. Creativity is seen as a form of mindfulness, letting us fully engage in the present moment and express ourselves. Do creative activities you enjoy, like painting, drawing, writing, or playing music. These give you an outlet for emotions and let you express yourself meaningfully. Practice mindfulness while being creative. Focus on the process, not the outcome. Notice colors, textures, and sounds as you create. This helps you stay present and fully immersed in the creative process. Use creative expression to explore and understand your emotions. Create art that reflects your feelings and experiences. This helps you gain insights into your inner world and process tough emotions. Share your creative work with others. Join a community of like-minded people. This helps you feel supported and inspired and gives you feedback and encouragement. Creative expression also gives a sense of accomplishment and purpose. Celebrate your creative wins, no matter how small. This builds self-esteem and brings joy to the creative process. By engaging in creative expression, you can process emotions, release stress, and find fulfillment. This is a powerful tool for moving away from depression and finding inner peace. Lesson 4. Focus on helping others. Focusing on helping others is a powerful way to find purpose and connection in Buddhism. Compassion and selfless service are paths to inner peace and fulfillment. Find ways to help others in your community. Volunteer, support a friend or neighbor, or join community service projects. These acts of kindness help you connect with others and make a positive impact. Practice mindfulness while helping others be fully present and attentive to their needs. This helps you build compassion and empathy and strengthens your sense of connection. Reflect on how all beings are connected in Buddhism. Interdependence reminds us we're all linked and our actions affect others. This helps you feel a sense of responsibility and purpose. Use helping others to shift your focus from your own challenges to their needs. This gives you perspective and reduces feelings of isolation and helplessness. Celebrate the positive impact you make in others. Lives reflect on how your actions have helped and supported others. This builds self-worth and fulfillment. By focusing on helping others, you can find purpose and connection, build compassion and empathy, and make a positive impact in the world. This is a powerful tool for moving away from depression and finding inner peace. Lesson 5. Pay attention to your bodies. Hunger. Paying attention to your body is hunger. And eating wholesome foods is an important part of self-care in Buddhism. Mindful eating encourages us to be fully present while eating and feel grateful for our food practice. Mindful eating. By focusing on the experience of eating, notice the colors, textures, and flavors of your food. Eat slowly and savor each bite. This helps you stay present and fully engage with eating. Listen to your body's hunger cues. Eat when you're hungry and stop when you're full. This helps you build a healthy relationship with food and avoid overeating or undereating. Choose wholesome, nourishing foods that support your physical and mental health. Include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins in your diet. This helps nourish your body and mind with the nutrients they need. Feel grateful for your food. Take a moment before eating to reflect on the effort that went into growing, harvesting, and preparing your food. This helps you appreciate the interconnectedness of all beings and the abundance of nature. Avoid using food to cope with emotions. Instead, practice other self-care, like mindfulness, creative expression, or spending time in nature. This helps you develop healthy coping habits and avoid emotional eating by paying attention to your bodies. Hunger and eating wholesome foods. You can support your physical and mental health. Feel grateful and build a healthy relationship with food. This is a powerful tool for moving away from depression and finding inner peace. Lesson 6. Gratitude practice. Gratitude shifts our focus from what we lack to what we have. In Buddhism, gratitude is seen as a way to build contentment and inner peace. By appreciating the good in our lives, we develop a positive mindset and a sense of fulfillment. Start each day with a gratitude practice. Take a few moments to reflect on what you're grateful for. It could be simple things like a warm cup of tea, a kind gesture from a friend, or the beauty of nature. Writing them down in a gratitude journal can make this practice even more effective. Gratitude helps us appreciate the present moment. It reminds us that there's beauty and goodness in our lives even during tough times. This builds contentment and reduces negative thoughts. Expressing gratitude to others also strengthens our sense of connection and positivity. Thank the people in your life who've supported and helped you. This not only strengthens your relationships, but also reinforces your own feelings of gratitude. When we focus on what we're thankful for, we build a mindset of abundance rather than scarcity. We realize we have enough, and our happiness doesn't depend on having more. This helps us let go of wanting more and find joy in our journey. By appreciating the good in your life, you build a positive mindset and a sense of contentment. Embrace gratitude and let it guide you toward inner peace and fulfillment. Lesson 7. Digital detox. In today's digital world, constant connectivity can add to stress, anxiety, and depression. A digital detox means taking a break from technology and reconnecting with the present moment in Buddhism. Mindfulness and moderation help us navigate the digital world in a balanced way. Limit your screen time, set specific times for checking emails, social media, and other digital activities. This helps create balance and reduces the impact of digital distractions on your well-being. Create tech-free zones and times at home. Make spaces and moments where you disconnect from technology and focus on real-life interactions and activities. This helps you build mindfulness and presence. Do activities that don't involve screens, like reading, cooking, exercising, or spending time with loved ones. These help you reconnect with yourself and others and bring fulfillment and joy. Use technology mindfully. Be aware of how you use digital devices and how they affect your mood and mental health. This helps you make more intentional choices about your digital use. Take regular digital detoxes where you completely disconnect from technology for a set time. Use this time to recharge and do activities that nourish your mind, body, and soul. This helps you reset and find balance in your digital habits. Reflect on the benefits of reducing digital use. Consider how it improves your well-being, builds meaningful connections, and boosts mental clarity. This helps you stay motivated to keep a healthy relationship with technology. By adding a digital detox to your routine, you can reduce stress and anxiety, build mindfulness, and create balance in your life. This is a powerful tool for moving away from depression and finding inner peace. The spiritual teachings of Buddhism offer deep wisdom and practical strategies to help us move away from depression and find peace and fulfillment by practicing mindful movement, spending time in nature, engaging in creative expression, focusing on helping others, paying attention to your body's hunger, practicing gratitude, and doing a digital detox. You can create a balanced and fulfilling life that supports your mental and emotional well-being. These lessons give practical and relatable steps to help you navigate life's challenges with wisdom and clarity. They empower you to appreciate the present moment, find joy in simple things, and build a sense of contentment that's independent of external circumstances. By adding these teachings to your daily life, you can create a path to healing and inner peace. The spiritual teachings of Buddhism offer deep wisdom and practical strategies to help us move away from depression and find peace and fulfillment by practicing mindful movement, spending time in nature, engaging in creative expression, focusing on helping others, paying attention to your body's hunger, practicing gratitude, and doing a digital detox. You can create a balanced and fulfilling life that supports your mental and emotional well-being. These lessons give practical and relatable steps to help you navigate life's challenges with wisdom and clarity. They empower you to appreciate the present moment, find joy in simple things, and build a sense of contentment that's independent of external circumstances. By adding these teachings to your daily life, you can create a path to healing and inner peace.